Welcome to Artistic Documentation. Here you will learn about the free template design with different new ideas. This image illustrates a product marketing template designed to visually showcase multiple skincare and haircare products together in an appealing and cohesive layout that emphasizes ingredients, benefits, and brand identity all at once, making it an excellent example of how templates can be used strategically in product marketing. At the center of the composition are three prominent cosmetic items: No7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Night Cream, Glycolic Bright Cream, and Revel Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, arranged harmoniously alongside natural elements like blueberries, green apples, almonds, and a pink rose over a splash of water. These ingredients are not just decorative but symbolic, with blueberries and green apples representing antioxidants, almonds hinting at nourishment, rose signifying rejuvenation and hydration, and water reinforcing freshness and purity. Above the products, text highlights antioxidant, and glycoprotein, glycoprotein, visually linking the benefits of these active ingredients to the featured items, creating an instant narrative for customers to understand the value propositions at a glance. The soft peach background helps the colors of the products and ingredients stand out while maintaining a warm, welcoming feel. This image exemplifies how a template design can be used repeatedly for different product lines, brands, or seasonal promotions by simply swapping product images, benefit highlights, and ingredient visuals while preserving the overall style and layout. In product marketing, such templates serve as a powerful tool to streamline the creation of high-quality visuals and campaigns. They provide a pre-structured framework for arranging product images, ingredient shots, benefit callouts, and brand names in a way that is aesthetically pleasing and consistent across all marketing channels: social media, websites, email newsletters, print ads, and even in-store displays. This consistency reinforces brand identity and professionalism, making it easier for consumers to recognize products and trust the brand, which is essential for building loyalty and increasing conversions. Templates also save time and resources because marketers and designers don't need to start from scratch for every new campaign. Instead, they can simply plug in updated images, text, or offers into the existing design framework. This efficiency accelerates the go-to-market process, enabling businesses to respond quickly to trends, launch new products faster, or capitalize on seasonal opportunities without delays. Another key advantage of using templates in product marketing is error reduction. By working from a pre-approved design, teams minimize the risk of inconsistent logos, incorrect fonts, or off-brand colors, which can confuse customers. Thanks for watching. Contact us for this types of template design.